Vernon Burn down the signature homes end. Andy's going to call us in. Take the strain. All around the lane. Big start for the
Ah!
Hold on.
Oh no, 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 too strong.
There you go. Good technique there, right, Berners. Obviously done that before.
Kasi ang lalaki mo.
Kasi daog sila? No? So, human na to. Ah, magkuan sila, change court.
Right, we're getting to round two.
Round 2.
Again, the pull-ins, we need a few people for the pull-ins team, so please, if you want to try this out, please go down to the Signature Homes RP, have a yarn to Belinda down and get into the pull-ins team.
Ito, rabitawan. Nay, maskot.
Give it a bit. Burn and burn, give it a bit. There we go, thank you. Take the strain. Right, they're on the way again.
Ay! Hala, hala, hala. Ah. Pwede na sad sila. Daog ang katungkuan, no?
Ang kadakot, ang lalaki.
Karagko nila sigtuti.